Hello friend, welcome back. This is Golden Thumb. In last video, we print out the address of a variable, the memory address of a variable using format string %x like that. So let's see, we have the right. Our source code is here. We use this one, %x. To print out the address in the plain hexadecimal format, and it looks like that. Oh, and when we compile it, we get annoying warnings like that. You see, warnings. And if we run it, we can see, right, those address printed out in hexadecimal format or hex. Okay. Actually, there's a better way a better format string to print out address is %p, means pointer. Okay, so we'll introduce pointer this time. Let's see. So if we print out as a pointer like %p, we don't need to add this one because the compiler will add that for us. Let's see, okay, how it works. So we'll find x, yeah, this one, replace with p. Oh, replace rp, okay. Now we don't need this guy because %p will prepend, right, this for us. We don't need that. We don't need to duplicate that. Okay, so clean up and we'll recompile. Now we'll run update it. Yeah, this is the real thing. This is the you see, oh, when we compile it, there's no warning, right? No warning again. Yeah, so this is the A's address in my computer. Okay, in your case you'll see maybe a different thing like that. Similarly, oh no, yeah, the difference is still 4 bytes, so it means an int type inside the computer occupies 4 bytes. Okay, so what if we change this one to char, a character? So ddd, or we can undo, and if we want to delete a word, we can use dw, insert char. Yeah, of course it cannot be 3, delete. That's so single quote is for the character. So a equals a, yeah. dd, so we can paste that and replace with b. Let's use 2 letters, okay, maybe 3, p. Now a equals, so this one, right, to print out a character we use this %c. C means character for the character. Okay, c, not integer, and address of that is, yeah, same thing here, abc. Done. Compile. Everything is good. No warning. You see, Now let's run it. Aha. So now, right, the variable a equals the character a, variable b, right, equals the character b, variable c equals character, right, c. Now notice the difference of the address, you see, is 1, right? This is hexadecimal. So a means is 16 based, so a means 10, b means 11, so 11 minus 10 is 1, right? 10 minus 9 is 1. It means, okay, let's show the code. It means this data type, right, a occupies a single byte here. So the next byte will be used by this variable b, and then the very next byte in the memory was allocated, right, to this guy. So 9, 10, 11, those address of memory, right, are for C, B, and A, okay, in the memory. What about long? Long data type is a long integer, will be 8 bytes. Let's see. Okay, so what if we change the int to long, okay, equals let's still use 3 and 5. Now I think it will be 8. The difference between their address will be 8 because each one occupies 8 bytes. Let's see. So this one, can we still use D? A, B, C. Okay. Warning, a argument int long. Maybe this one will be L. So D is for warning, formula specify int, but the argument has a long. Okay. Or we can Google it, right? So it's very important to use Google, right? C format string for long, okay? Printf. Here, what is the argument to print out that format a long? Oh, long LD, okay, LD, long, okay, onside not, yeah, ours is long, right? So LD, it makes sense. D is a normal int, so LD, yeah, sure. So find out percent, okay, yeah, LD, insert LD, okay, clean up. We have 2 files, gcc, yeah, it compiles. Okay, now let's run it. Yes, you see the difference of the memory, right? Starting from here, plus 8 is, right, F8. and plus another 8. You see, it equals B00, right? B is 1 greater than this A, right? A 1 in this place means 256 is the square of 16. Yeah, because this is F, the highest digit in hex, so it carries on 1 to this place. Okay, so plus 8, we get that, and plus another 8, we get that. Yeah, let's also show the code here, right? Long occupies 8 bytes, so int occupies 4 bytes, and the char occupies a single byte. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.